Turmeric has certainly earned its place in the spotlight, celebrated as a golden super spice and praised for its anti-inflammatory prowess. But the truth is, most people are missing out on the real benefits. The problem isn't turmeric itself, it's how our bodies handle its most potent compound, curcumin. When you take turmeric alone, your body absorbs a mere fraction of the curcumin, with the vast majority being swiftly ushered out, leaving your arteries and heart without the support you expect. It may feel like you're doing something great for your health, but without a critical partner, turmeric's benefits are fleeting. The missing piece? Black pepper, a simple, everyday spice that most of us have sitting in our kitchens. The magic lies in a compound called piperine, found in black pepper. This humble addition doesn't just improve curcumin's absorption, it transforms it. With piperine, your body can absorb curcumin up to 2,000% better, turning a leaky bucket into a reservoir of heart-protective goodness. If you're serious about heart health and want to take advantage of turmeric's proven benefits, understanding why this combo works is essential. Curcumin is fat-soluble, so it is also absorbed better in the presence of oils like coconut or olive oil. Heart disease is the world's leading cause of death, but its mechanics are often misunderstood. Cholesterol isn't the villain many believe it to be. In fact, cholesterol is often present as a repair crew, trying to patch up damage inside your arteries. The real danger comes from chronic, simmering inflammation within the arterial walls. Imagine tiny fires burning inside your blood vessels, gradually damaging the delicate lining. When this inflammation takes hold, it creates rough spots where cholesterol, fats, and cellular debris can stick, forming plaques. Over time, these plaques can crack and trigger blood clots, blocking arteries and causing heart attacks or strokes. This is where curcumin truly shines. It's one of nature's most effective anti-inflammatories, lowering key markers like interleukin-6, IL-6, C-reactive protein, CRP, and tumor necrosis factor alpha, TNF-alpha. These aren't just scientific buzzwords, they're measurable signals that your arteries are under threat. Studies reveal that curcumin can lower these markers as effectively as some prescription medications, but without the long list of side effects. The catch, as mentioned, is absorption. Curcumin is fat-soluble and rapidly processed by the liver, which means most of it never reaches your bloodstream. Enter piperine, curcumin's ultimate sidekick. Piperine works by blocking certain liver enzymes that would otherwise break down curcumin and flush it out. It also inhibits cellular pumps in your gut that would push curcumin out before it enters your blood. The result? Blood levels of curcumin shoot up dramatically, staying elevated for hours instead of minutes. It's the difference between a fleeting moment of benefit and sustained, powerful protection for your arteries. But what does this combo actually do for your heart? Once curcumin is finally absorbed, it goes to work in several important ways. First, it targets oxidized LDL, a dangerous form of cholesterol that's been damaged by free radicals. Oxidized LDL is sticky and much more likely to lodge in your arteries, triggering inflammation and plaque buildup. With high levels of curcumin, studies show a significant reduction in oxidized LDL, helping keep your arteries clear. The combo also boosts nitric oxide, a molecule that tells your blood vessels to relax and expand. This keeps arteries flexible and youthful, supporting healthy blood pressure and flow. One remarkable study showed that people taking 1 gram of curcumin with 10 milligrams of piperine daily saw a 16% improvement in pulse wave velocity, a measure of arterial stiffness, within just 8 weeks. That's not just a technical detail. It means their arteries were literally becoming younger. This improvement is linked to a 25% reduction in future heart attacks and strokes. Turmeric alone couldn't achieve this effect, underlining the power of enhanced absorption. As we focus on fighting inflammation, we must also contend with new threats. Microplastics, tiny fragments of plastic that permeate our environment, are emerging as major contributors to inflammation. They're found in our water, food, and even the air we breathe. Recent research uncovered plastic fragments inside arterial plaques in over half of patients undergoing surgery. Those with microplastic-laden plaques faced a 4.5 times higher risk of heart attacks, strokes, or death. The leading theory is that these plastics act as constant irritants, triggering inflammation and accelerating heart disease. Curcumin and piperine, with their potent anti-inflammatory effects, offer a modern defense, helping to buffer the impact of these hidden hazards. So, how can you harness these benefits without going overboard? The optimal ratio is simple. For every 1 part curcumin, you need 1/100th part piperine. In practical terms, that's 500 milligrams of standardized curcumin extract with 5 milligrams of black pepper extract, bioprine, taken twice daily with food. The fat in your meal helps curcumin absorb even better. If you prefer a culinary approach, try simmering half a teaspoon of turmeric in coconut milk, adding several grinds of fresh black pepper. For extra heart-healthy power, add a pinch of cinnamon and some lemon rind. These small additions turn a comforting drink into a potent heart-protective tonic. Of course, this combo isn't for everyone. If you have gallstones, bleeding disorders, or are on blood-thinning medications, consult your doctor before starting. Piperine can interact with certain drugs, potentially increasing their levels in your blood. Pregnant or nursing women should avoid high-dose supplements and stick to culinary amounts. Taking care with these precautions ensures you can enjoy the benefits safely. Beyond the spice rack, reducing your exposure to microplastics is crucial. Switch to stainless steel kettles, avoid plastic-lined cups, and use glass or metal food containers. Filter your water and choose loose-leaf tea over plastic tea bags. Each small change helps reduce your intake of these inflammatory particles, complementing the internal defense provided by your spice combo. To monitor your progress, ask your doctor for a high-sensitivity C-reactive protein, HSCRP test. This measures low-grade inflammation, giving you a clear picture of your heart health. A level above 2 milligrams per liter signals increased risk, but regular use of curcumin and piperine can lower this by more than 1 milligram per liter in just 12 weeks. Retest every 6 months, aiming for below 1 milligram per liter. In summary, turmeric's benefits are real, but they're unlocked fully only with the help of black pepper. This simple combo dramatically improves absorption, lowers inflammation, rejuvenates arteries, and fights the impact of modern threats like microplastics. By cooking smart, supplementing wisely, and making mindful choices about plastic, you can take charge of your heart health in a meaningful way. Empower yourself with knowledge, track your progress, and give your heart the support it truly deserves. If you learned anything interesting from this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel so we can continue to research and bring great content to our viewers.